Are you having brake light issues? You push your brake, your lights come on, then they go back off, and you're still holding your pedal, and you've already changed your bulbs, your fuses, and relays? Well, this could be your problem. Stay tuned.
Warning, this is how I personally complete each project. I do have some mechanical and electrical knowledge. Use this video at your own risk. I am not and will not be responsible for any damage that may occur while you attempt to repeat as I do. Always follow all manufacturer warnings and instructions. Consult a professional if you are unsure.
DADDYGVILLE'S World.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to DADDYGVILLE'S World, how-tos and DIYs. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace and repair your brake light switch for your 88 to 98 Sierras, Silverados, Tahoes, and Yukons. Now, that spot is hard to see and hard to get a camera into, so I can't really actually show you. But I made a short animation here to how it goes together and comes apart, and then we'll get on to the real project. Okay, first, here's your brake pedal and arm. Then you have your push rod that goes through the firewall into your brake booster. Next, you have your brake light switch, which we are replacing. Then you have your retainer clip that holds it all together. And in here is your wire connector that's coming down from your harness. Now the arm with the circle around it is what everything is placed on. First on is the push rod. Then the brake light switch with the harness already connected. Then the retainer clip. Always, before you touch anything electrical in your vehicle, unplug your negative wire and set it aside. Now, to make it easier in the long run, there's a plastic clip that holds the wire connector harness in on the dash support. Locate it and use a long screwdriver or pry bar and get behind it and twist to pop it out. Next, reach up and try to remove the clip by hand first. The clip moves forward and then pops out. To be honest, the clip is the most pain in the butt part of the process. If you can't get it by hand, use a long screwdriver and insert it into the middle of the clip and twist and spread the clip open. And it should fall off, just don't break it because you'll need to reuse the clip. Next, reach up and grab the brake light switch and push it up off the push rod. Then, slide it off the arm. Now, here's where popping that clip comes in handy. Take the brake light switch and turn it sideways, and pull it down behind the brake pedal. Now, you'll be able to remove that harness with ease. Now grab your new one, plug it in, and repeat that process backwards. Slide it back up behind the brake. Slide it back on the arm, push it down on the push rod, put the retaining clip back on, push the plastic clip back in, and now you're done. You have brake lights again. The whole process takes about 30 minutes from start to finish. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.